Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing how I did these 3 hairstyles inspired by fairies and springtime. These hairstyles are so ethereal and so whimsical. They're honestly like my fantasy hairstyles come true, and they're also incredibly easy to do. All of the techniques that I use to accomplish these hairstyles are super easy to do and are really beginner friendly, and I'm also going to be using a lot of whimsical motifs in these hairstyles, from the butterflies to the flowers to the pearls. Before we get started, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the sponsor of today's video. So thank you so much to Luisa for sponsoring this video. Luisa is actually having an amazing Mother's Day sale going on right now. They're having 15% off all products, and the last day to guarantee standard shipping before May 9th is going to be May 3rd for international orders and May 5th for US orders. If you check out the link in the description box below, you can get 15% off all of their products. So all of the jewelry that I'm wearing in this video is from Luisa, and these pieces are so dainty and delicate. Honestly, I've been wearing them non-stop. I've been wearing them to the skate park, I've been wearing them for videos, and you're gonna see them a lot from now on because these are actually my new favorite pieces of jewelry. So on my ears, on my first lobe, I'm wearing the Jessica earrings, and I'm pairing them with the Suzanne earrings on my second lobe, and for my necklace, I'm wearing the Lev necklace. I love heart-shaped jewelry, but I've actually never seen one that has this sort of like puffed heart where it has like a bit of heft to it. So it's really interesting and looks a little bit more substantial than like other heart-shaped jewelry that I have. And the prices for all of their pieces are really affordable too. So they start from $39, and there are also some higher end pieces, but there's really something for everybody. Their pieces are also incredibly high quality. They're long lasted and crafted with care with a full year warranty, and everything is in limited batches, which ensures the highest production and also eliminates excessive waste. And they're also carbon neutral, so 100% of carbon emissions related to their products are offset. So again, just a reminder, make sure to check out the link in my description box so that you can get 15% off all of their products for their Mother's Day sale. And with that, let's get started with the tutorial. Alright, so first I started off by curling my hair, and I already did that off camera. If you want to see a hair curling routine, up in the right hand corner as always. I went with kind of a tighter curl for this video. So sectioning off a little bit of hair right in front of my ear, I feel like this is just like my favorite thing to do to kind of make hairstyles like immediately more ethereal. I'm going to start with a small 1-inch section at the top of my head, and I'm starting to French braid this backwards. And rather than having it straight down the side of my head, I just want to pull the hair backwards, and keep in mind that I want the direction of this braid to lay flat against the back of my head, and I'm keeping this very loose. I'm braiding about halfway down my hair, and then using my fingers, I'm pulling on each side of the braid to loosen this up, and that sort of gives it this like loose, relaxed woodland fairy kind of vibe. And then I'm tying that off with an elastic, and then I'm repeating this on the other side. Then to accessorize, I'm using my favorite accessory of this season. I have a bunch of these fabric butterfly clips, and I'm just going to pin them in equal rows straight down the back of my hair. So as you can see, I have 2 types of butterfly clips. I have one that are just the butterflies, and then I have another set that has like a trail of pearls down the center. So I'm using the pearled butterfly clips on the top and also on the bottom, and all of the butterflies in the center are without the pearls. And that's it for this hairstyle. Honestly, you guys, look at this hairstyle. This is my favorite hairstyle. I've worn it so many times since filming this video. I can't even explain like how much I love this hairstyle. Everyone needs to try it. It's absolutely amazing, and you feel like an actual fairy princess. For our next hairstyle, we're going to play with some flowers. So taking a small 1-inch section of hair in the front, I'm going to start to twist this backwards. So with each twist, I'm taking a section of hair in front of this twist, and I'm joining it towards the back, and I'm continuing to twist it. So at all times, I have 2 pieces of hair, and with each twist, I'm just grabbing a section of hair in the front and twisting this backwards. I don't know what this method is called. I'm gonna call it a rope twist. And then once I reach my ear, I'm going to take those 2 pieces of hair that I have, and I'm going to continue down with a rope braid. And so I'm going to twist both sections of hair to the opposite side that I'm twisting originally. So I'm gonna twist the hair to the left and then overlap it to the right. And then I'm going to repeat this until the nape of my neck and secure this off with an elastic. And then I'm going to repeat on the other side. From the back, I'm taking both of my rope twists and securing them with an elastic. And this hairstyle by itself already looks incredibly ethereal, but I have some flowers for this video. So I'm taking a combination of 3 flowers to place into my hair. And honestly, you guys, I am so sorry. I don't remember the names of the flowers I used. I know for one that the fine white one is called baby's breath, and the other one is like a purple flower. But anyway, I'm just plucking off these flowers, and I'm just placing them all all throughout my little braided crown. And then to hide my elastic, I have a cute little mint mesh bow with a dangling gem detail, and I'm just clipping this over the elastic, and then I'm continuing to just pile on the flowers. Then from the front, I'm continuing to add flowers, and I'm kind of just looking for some balance. And that's it for this hairstyle. I really love how this turned out. It looks so incredibly romantic, and honestly, nothing makes you feel more like a fairy or a princess than a crown full of flowers. And these are also really inexpensive. You can buy these bundles of flowers for like $5 each at, you know, Trader Joe's or something, and you have so many flowers to not only put around your house but to also place in your hair. Alright, for our last hairstyle, I wanted to go more for like a fairy queen type of look, so I wanted to do an updo. So again, I'm going to repeat what I did for our previous hairstyle. I'm going to be doing my rope twist where I'm twisting away from my face, and with each twist, I'm taking this section of hair in front of it and adding it to the twist and continuing that pattern. I'm going to continue doing that until I reach to my ear, and then I'm sectioning this off with an elastic, and then I'm repeating on the other side. Then from here, I'm just braiding things off with a loose 3-strand braid. And then again, I'm going to tug on each side to really loosen up these braids as much as possible. Then I'm tying off my braid with an elastic into a little bundle to make sure that all of the loose ends of the hair are tucked away neatly. Then I'm repeating this on the other side. Then from the back, you can see how my part isn't straight down the middle. That's totally okay because we're going to cover that up anyway. So I'm taking my right braid and I'm bringing it over to the left. And then I'm folding it backwards over itself. And then with the remaining hair, I'm tucking it under the braid. So it's kind of creating like a sandwich almost. And then taking some bobby pins, I'm securing this in place. Then on the other side, I'm taking my left braid over to the right side, folding it underneath itself and tucking in the ends. And then I'm bobby pinning this in place. And that's it for this overlapped braided updo. And honestly, this hairstyle right now already looks amazing. If I were to go to like some kind of dinner party, this is what I would wear. But to accessorize, I'm going in with flowers and also some pearls. So I bought these little spiral pearl accessories from Daiso, and I have been dying to use these, and now is the perfect occasion. So I'm just spiraling these into my hair in like random areas. Again, because the theme of this video is like spring fairies, I'm going to again take my same flowers and just start poking this into my braid everywhere. And that's it for this hairstyle. You guys, I have really outdid myself this time. These hairstyles are so gorgeous. Like, I really want to go to a wedding and just like do everyone's hair in this way, or like just do something, go on a picnic, do all my girls' hair, and just, you know, live our cute little fairy woodland life. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Honestly, I'm so proud of these hairstyles. They are a literal work of art, and I hope that everyone really enjoyed them and that it helped put you guys in the spring mood now that it's getting warmer. One final reminder to check out my link in the description box below if you want to grab any of the jewelry that I'm wearing in this video. And again, they're doing a 15% off site-wide for Mother's Day. And as always, thank you so much to my lovely, amazing Patreon supporters. There are so many of you guys now, and I am so honored. So thank you so much to Kay, you, Alona, Emily, Winna, Emma, Jocelyn, Kirsten, Carla, Brennan, Fair, Kylan, Tina, Gregorio, Rebecca, Lena's Rain, the person who goes by a question mark, Ruby, Alyssa, Georgia, Sweet Moon Bubble, Tiffany, Kina Credone, Gabrielle, Selena, Chelsea, Jay, and CKL. So thank you so much to my lovely Patreons as always, and thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys again next week.